From the workshop to modern muscle meltdown. My selected cars have now reached South Carolina at Low Country Diecast Racing League. No buy-ins. I tested tens of my mainline cars and one or two others to finally make up this team. I gradually whittled them down to 9 to do a final testing and make a selection and then work on the cars again. Sure is a great challenge to get some speed out of these suckers. Here are the 9 castings I've got down to. I'm going to give them another service. They're in groups of 3 and I'm going to run them in these 3 groups down the track and record the times. And there's also some other tests and considerations for where they're racing. You need to analyse the track everywhere you go and determine if some cars have an advantage or a disadvantage. Let's go. Time to analyse the results and make some selections. You can see those in the far right hand side. The cells in green are the fastest recorded times for those cars. And now sitting on the grid are 3 of the 4 cars I've selected for a final run and then a final dust up before they get packaged to go. Cheers. And here are the 4 cars I've selected to go and race in the US. It should be a great first event at Low Country Diecast Racing League, so tune into it. I'll leave the links in the description. I love historic race cars. I don't know why so many people only want new builds, but the C300 here, it raced over 3 years ago at Hot Car Track for Blue Line Racing. It didn't do so well then, but totally resurfaced, now wearing Australian colours. Thanks for gifting me the car, Tim. It could be time for its redemption. Cheers. Happy Australia Day all. Good luck out there. CutRock'R.